All right, working on a 2004 Ford F150 FX4, and as you can see here on the third brake light, only the left side bed light is lit, not the right hand side. This is new, just put this in today, and I'm going to troubleshoot, see what's going on. I suspect I've got a wiring issue inside or a connection issue, but that's what we're going to dive into. All right, let's get the cover off. Now what I'm going to do here, it's got a multimeter. Either do this with the meter and put that on 20 volts DC. We're dealing with DC volts here, not the stuff in your house. And what I'm going to do is turn the light on, get the light on, and I'm going to see what I've got power wise here. I'm going to go with black is negative, which would be, by all appearances, this side, but of course on the Ford side they're both black. Light is lit. Okay. Volts, 11.8 volts on the money there. Oh crap. Okay, I think I've got a bad connection in here. So I read on the meter I had 11.8 volts on both of these, but I noticed when I made connection here the light actually flickered, so I think I've got a loose connection in here. Yep, I do. Turn this around. So I'm just barely moving this wire inside here. And that's what I was worried about earlier when I was actually putting this in place, is this connection is so brittle that some of the little locking tabs, things that kind of aid in pressure, snapping it in place, I just pushed that one in a little bit more. That one seemed to, there we go. That actually seemed to connect a little better. Yeah. All right, hey, problem solved. I just rotated it for whatever reason. When I rotated it 100, it shouldn't matter. It's a DC circuit. But regardless of that, it's actually got a firmer connection on this side. So my problem has been corrected. Perhaps an installation error, but I'll take it because it's an easy fix. All right. Any questions on that? Leave them down below. Otherwise, feel free to thumbs it up if you like. Leave a comment or a question down below. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. I don't want to say we live for this, but we do like fixing stuff. I like when stuff actually will allow us to fix it. All right, have a good day.